We were down to about three people back in 2001. We built this club up to over 60 at one point, and we maintained it right around 45, and it's because of the work of some of the awesome members that we have in this club. So that's the last nice thing I'll be saying tonight. But we are here to provide a safe and fun environment where people can express themselves fully and without judgment. And one way to honor this is through our roast. Unfortunately, not everyone shares this philosophy. And in honor of Toastmasters and our guests here tonight, we will now adjourn this Toastmaster meeting and then continue immediately with the roast of Eric Linder, which is not an official Toastmaster event. So, meeting adjourned. If you're a guest, if you're easily offended, you have 30 seconds to do it. All right. So, ladies and gentlemen, tonight is a special night. Not because we're roasting Eric Linder, but because we don't have enough room on the agenda for Chris Stoff to strap on a diaper and dance around topless. I don't know if you were here a couple weeks ago, but it was a frightening experience. So tonight is like the Special Olympics of comedy. Look at this group of amateurs. I haven't seen a band of wannabes and nobodies like this since the last meeting at Creatively Speaking. Anyone from Creatively Speaking here? All right, good. I mean, just look at this dais. Talk about white privilege. There's not a black guy on the dais. It's like a town hall meeting at Charlottesville. What about This isn't a roast, it's a melt. I mean, just look at these guys. We got Shadi Abadea. Did you know that since Shadi's become president of San Diego 7, we've been put on the terrorist watch list? Shadi's from Palestine, but he got kicked out because of his Jufro. And what's with that beard? It reminds me of a Tijuana strip show. I keep thinking a ping pong ball's going to shoot out of it or something. Wow. It gets worse. All right. And Matt Monier is here. Matt, you're a good-looking guy, man. Stay so fit. No wonder you're the most searched man on Grindr. Matt has been swiped right so much his forehead has a thumbprint on it. And speaking of someone with thumbprints on their forehead, Surreal Sparks is here. Let that sink in. Did you know that Surreal has 5 STDs? How many STDs? 5! If you've been watching Surreal's speaking career, you probably know, you probably feel like I do. Those were a long 2 hours. But Surreal, you're always so well groomed. Your beard and your hair are always shaven and styled. I'm just wondering, do the carpets match the drapes? Oh, you're singing. Just once in passing. Diane Horton is here, and Diane's also thin and in shape. In fact, Diane's so thin you can see her funny bone. I know, you got some of these you have to think about. I don't know if you know this or not, but Diane beat cancer earlier this year. Now she can only beat someone in a speech contest. Antonio Garcia is here, speaking of losing speech contests. Now, I'm not going to say Antonio has a big forehead, but it was a stunt double in the movie 3 Billboards. One reason why Antonio and I look so young is because we both have pretty oily skin. You know, Antonio, when I look at you, I think, how could there be an energy crisis? We shouldn't be drilling in Alaska. We should be bringing out your pillowcases. Eric told me to say that. Antonio spent several years in the military serving our country. Thank you very much. This explains That's why there's so many Mexican children roaming the streets of Afghanistan. Figured it out, now we know. Our town crier is here, Jessica Vasquez. Jessica cries so much she's wetter than a Thai soccer team. You know, I see so many of Jessica's pictures online. She makes her pictures look so good with those filters. If she only had a filter for her speeches. I'm not saying her speeches are bad, but she is known as the Damaris Alicia of speeches. She's looking for Matt on Grindr. Chris Hamill's here. Chris. The trailblazer. Chris is to speaking what Stephen Hawking is to speaking. They say the bigger your gut, the smaller your penis, which is why Chris Hamill has a vagina. I'm getting these off the internet, man. Sorry. Chris, you're the only guy I know that watches porn and comes when the guy delivers the pizza.